Welcome to our newest video guide to install WordPress on Rackspace cloud server, and we have an excellent text guide which we will follow here. You have to change DNS in case you want to use with your website, and everything is written there. You just need to add record and just follow our guide. It's quite easy to handle Rackspace Cloud DNS, and we will SSH to the server. We are just showing this video guide as a helper. So the command is quite easy: SSH root at the IP address. Yes, you will set the RSA key and change the password after the first login. Clear the screen, and here we have written all the needed commands to follow. If you just blindly follow the commands step by step, you will definitely can install and run WordPress on a single server setup. We have not shown any updated guide on optimization, but just we have shown how to install WordPress along with a web hosting control panel that is free, so a webmin and a PHPMyadmin to have a web GUI for your MySQL database management. So after apt-get update and apt-get upgrade and installing LAMP server, you will be able to view the default Ubuntu Apache page, web page, that is right now in 14.04. It's located at for www.html, and we are editing the Apache config file and adding two lines. One is the server name, the fully qualified domain name, in this case factsandnonsense.com, and the second line is for our next step, that is include PHPMyadmin conf file. We are installing PHPMyadmin. After this is an important step, you must just hit the return key. Type the first password of the MySQL database, and second time you have to give the password of the PHPMyadmin. Both ideally should be different. Now navigate to the PHPMyadmin. Well, you can log in and see practically there is the default tables. We will install additional 2 packages for PHP, and the last step remains is to install webmin, this web hosting control panel. This set of guide is safer, commands is safer. It actually is of the older webmin version, but that will not matter much because we will upgrade it from the GUI. So just you need to carefully copy paste the commands. You'll see the mirror are fetching from different sources, like from a Singapore server mirror of the DigitalOcean instead of Rackspace. This is because I have set the sources of list in the order. It will fetch from the fastest repository possible, the universe source. It's not that it will always take update from Rackspace only. And when you are accessing the web server at the time, that also determine, and this is the webmin. Your webmin is already ready. When you are accessing your server for upgrade or update, you should keep one thing in mind, that the time is a big factor, because at certain time of the whole day, and there are more advanced guides just to show you. And so when the servers and other things are very busy, it happens that you cannot effectively delete a server instance. It happens. So these are the commands to create a database. Although we have PHPMyadmin, but this way is the right way and safer way to create database. Give the user the right privilege, and I have shown you clearly this WordPress username, password are for demonstration purpose only. In the next step you will see that we are installing WordPress with this WordPress localhost, WordPress user, like password, etc. fields, etc. values which are not practical in life. Obviously we will use complex to hack password or guess password and username. And yes, your WordPress database can be seen, a table can be seen. And we now need to remove the index.html file, and we'll just duplicate the latest version of WordPress. It's quite fast. The server is just 512 MB. It's not actually the performance edition, but the basic things will remain the same here too. We're uncompressing the files from TAR, that is temp archive. The tarball, so that the privileges, the structure remains the same as intended. Clear the screen to an ls and remove the tarball that is named latest.tar.gz, and we will now change directory to WordPress. So if we point towards the WordPress subdomain, subfolder, I am sorry, we will actually able to install, but this is not what we want. We want to install on the root. So we have to move all the contents to root. I am already in WordPress directory, so just do an ls. Yes, all files are there. Just mv star dot enter. Ls, nothing is there. So cd dot ls. Well, everything is there. We can now remove the WordPress named folder. It's not required anymore. Just point towards your domain name or IP address. Just grab the yes, here is the point we were telling you. We create with this password, WordPress username, like values. These are not the right values. We just show you as a demo in every kind of tutorial by anyone. Therefore, you must use your own. You can see that we are using the same values. Everything is ready, Sparky, and here our WordPress is ready. Username test user, so whatever you can use, does not matter because we will delete this instance instantly. Mismatch, very weak, does not matter, it's weak. Our email is admin@thecustomizeWindows.com, and install WordPress, login, and I will fill with the passwords, which is actually very easy to guess password. There is no cache installed, nothing installed, and it's 512. We have not tweaked. It will be a bit slow now. Tester, and password is password, and login. There is no need to remember the password. And it is the front end, and this is the back end of WordPress. You can change the theme. I think this theme looks great. Save this, have a look by refreshing, and everything is done. There is nothing new to show. After this, you have to gradually tweak your WordPress. Thank you.